Oyster started there. Then Jayanagar, the plan of Jayanagar, how beautiful, and today what do we see at Jayanagar? See this, a lovely invitation for Jayanagar's inauguration. So Aishwarya, let's. What comes to your mind that when you see go through this and walk through?
No, I feel there's so much that we as Kannadigas and we as Mysoreans have contributed back to the history of the world. I'm not even talking about the history of our country, okay? History of the world. Today is 25th Kargil Divas. Okay, I just celebrated that and I came here and I'm feeling so proud that okay, there's so much essence in our Mysore history, the rulers. We don't have to look for inspirations for people outside. We have inspirations for people so much close to us that we can take from. Whether it's branding, whether it's taking our country to a global perspective, whether it's calling them and showcasing our culture. One of the things that caught my eyes is when I was seeing that letter he's written. The words, if you see gratitude,
Yes.
if you see the words in how beautifully it's written, it's like music.
Music.
Music to the
The
ears.
language was amazing.
Yeah.
You should listen to my podcast of his speeches. The King Speaks. I have a podcast running. Each of the letters, the way they are written. Each of his speeches, the way they are written. Amazing language and so much to learn from for the younger generation about English.
And
how to write
also,
letters, how to
we
write
say,
speeches.
right, a ruler doesn't come just for one expertise. It's a combination of lot. You can see sports, you can see art, you can see music, you can see like collaboration, you can see diplomacy.
Governance.
You can also see giving up of ego, no? Like that's such a huge part of the thing.
Absolutely.
As you rightly pointed, I beg you to wear the badge. Who says I beg you? when
He's a
you're
Maharaja
here?
and he's given the money to the war fund. And even after that, your own squadron, you say, I beg you to wear this badge.
He's promoted the Indian pilot,
Indian
woman,
pilot, yeah, woman pilot, couple. Built the Jaipur flying school. Jaipur flying school was built by him. And Usha was one of the first graduates from that school. And her husband was the principal of Jaipur school, the first principal of Jaipur school. After they retired from their flying days, he puts up a school and says you need to transfer this knowledge to more people. And builds an entire flying school and an aerodrome.
Nothing has to be a choice on the day. By chance, also how committed you are to the journey takes you
Absolutely.
forward, and I think this is a very, very strong example of
Yes,
leadership.
very strong example of leadership, governance, administration, branding, like you said.
Branding,
For
yeah,
me, it's like
It's all about branding. Yeah, like today we think about the logo, the brand,
Tagline.
Today you have a tagline, you have a branding, you have globalization, you
Absolutely.
have everything.
And then today we are talking of anthems. You know, somebody came up with an anthem for this or that, but we had an anthem which started in 1881 in the reign of Chamarajavadi at the time.
I'm glad all my students are coming to visit
I'm so happy
and
that you're
understanding
so
what our culture is, what we give back
really,
to our.
really thank you for this, and it's a great, great initiative. And I think this is a great sign that children. I just spoke to some of the kids. Yes, Ash from the curation team. Yeah, I curated this. Yes. How did you enjoy the exhibition?
I know almost
Everything. Yeah,
because
that's fun.
we are related to
Was it? Okay, it's wonderful. So it's wonderful that the school kids have come. I mean, this is what my ambition was with this exhibition. It's not just about here from Mysore to
government to put something about Nalvadi and Jayachandra. They can't Mumbadi and Chamarajavadi and all that. At least to the nearest Nalvadi, Krishnajavadi and Jayachandra.
we plan to do that.
Nobody knows about all these things.
Yes. And it's important. That's why we have so many school
We are
children here
studying
today.
beyond our limit. We don't want all those things. Whatever we want, we are not studying.
True.
From the beginning, when we are student also, we won't study. Only little
But
bit
you
of
ಓದುತ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ ನೀವು?
only little bit of Jayachandra Janavadi we know. But Nalvadi,
Yes.
Mumbadi and all the
And the
great,
women of this dynasty,
yeah.
they are amazing. as superior to anybody, according to me. If you go into the
I
history of each
know, I
woman.
met the Maharaja of Mysore, Satyaprema Kumari, Tripura Subramanian. She my home today.
Okay, okay. Wonderful, wonderful, ma'am. Thank you so much for visiting.
Okay.
Namaste. Thank you.
Like, make a point and
Then we'll take your point.
effort to government to do.
Put up this somewhere.
Only by seeing the engineer and all, nothing. And I am happy some students are visited
Lots
really
of
very
students
happy.
from that school
Really
visited
very
today.
happy.
And lots
They
of
know
students-
what is our kingdom
Yeah.
and what their contribution towards this one.
Yes, it's very
They
important.
must know.
We should know.
We
Because they are
are always telling about KRS, that was this one. Basic foundation stone is from
From the Maharajas.
Maharajas
yeah.
of Mysore.
Absolutely. Everything, if you look
Yeah.
at it, if you look at Jayanagar, Rajaji Nagar,
Yeah.
Bangalore itself was a foundation for the Maharaja.
Really
Something like a big
worth
colony.
seeing.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank
Your
you.
good name?
Maya Chandra.
Okay. Oh, you were this one, Maya Tilan.
Yes, that is my daughter.
Okay. You're right.
He's my
Chandra.
Chandra. Chandra is there,
Oh,
but
that's why, yeah.
he's my guru for all this. Yeah. He's the Maharaja's son.
No, I know.
Yes.
I
You know, sir?
Nagan.
Maharaj.
Mohan and Shekata's sister.
I'll tell you now. I'll tell you. I was expecting you today, but you didn't come.
Today I met Bandit.
Bandit. Oh, okay, nice. Okay. Dr. Nandakumar ನಾಳೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾಳೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. But till till Monday. ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಂಡೇ ತನಕ ಇದೆ. ಕಳಿಸಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ. Okay? Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
These two are staff members.
Yes, nice.